Okay. Yeah. Okay. And this is, and you can turn off over here too. Wait,
You have to click the same button.
Okay. This is how you can do this. Okay. Okay. What the hood do?
It only has one song.
Yeah. She has one, but he don't want to say real. She has one, and she was in real life. That was a real girl.
Yeah?
And it was in real life, so there's 2 songs.
Yeah, 2 songs. It's cool. It's like a real thing.
There's gonna be a video like that soon. I promise, guys, there will.
Yeah.
You'll see it.
It's not.
It'll probably be today. So, guys, like you like the song? Does everybody like the song? Yes.
It's a Christmas song.
Yeah, it was a Christmas song. So, guys, those buttons are fake. This one is real.
When the button says try, when it has an arrow and it says try me, so, and that's the button you have to click. It's already old, I guess, for Christmas. Yes, it's old.
This might probably be an old toy, maybe, if it is. I don't know.
Could be like something cool.
So, I don't know. So, guys, this is Theodore, Alvin, and Simon.
Yeah, those are Alvin. It shows a screen.
When I was in pre-K, there was a Simon in my class. Alvin is in the front, Theodore is there, and Simon is there.
You're done?
Where's glasses? I'm not done.
Wait, never mind.
Did you trick me?
No.
Okay, so guys, I really don't have anything there. So I really love this toy. I wanted it. When I saw this one first, I didn't buy it, but
What's your favorite toy?
Shopkins.
Yeah, I know you love Shopkins. And this can be your second toy. Second favorite toy.
Yeah, I just have a first favorite toy, but this is my favorite toy. Maybe yes, this is my second favorite toy. But
And Shopkins are your first favorite toy.
Yes, I really love Shopkins. I do have Shopkins, but I really am trying to find the
Milkshake?
The milkshake Shopkin and the limited edition. All of them. I want to get all
Millie
of them.
Shakes?
Yeah. And I almost have all of them. Guys, I want to show you my Shopkins.
Limited.
See, those are Shopkins. Those are the checklist. And look at guys. Pop pizza, cheesy, whatever it is.
Now we'll show you the ones that are here.
We'll show you the back.
Then
Oh, it's gonna get dark. We'll show you one of these. We have these. I always want this one in this color. So push
soda
there. Soda pop. Soda pop.
Put that back now. Put it where it was.
Okay. Oh, wait, I want to show you one more basket. This one was in a mini basket. We got it at Toys R Us.
Yeah, Toys R Us.
So those are Shopkins.
Okay, so now.
Oh, Peppa Pig playsets. I got all the playsets. Oh, I got the vending machine.
Okay, Samantha, stop.
We're in real life, so bye guys.
Bye.
A good night. Bye.
Bye.